Multiplication and division of integers. So, if the given have the same signs, the product and the quotient is always positive. If opposite signs naman yung given, the product and the quotient is always negative. Examples. If same signs yung given, so 5 times 6, so they have the same signs, so the product is always positive. 5 times 6 is positive 30. Negative 3 times negative 9, both are negative, so ang product ay positive. Negative 3 times negative 9 is positive 27. 7 times 6, both are positive, so ang product ay positive. 7 times 6 is positive 42. Negative 12 divided by negative 3, parehong negative, so ang sagot ay positive. Negative 12 divided by negative 3 is positive 4. 18 divided by 6, parehong positive, so ang sagot ay positive. 18 divided by 6 is positive 3. And number 6, negative 36 divided by negative 4, parehong negative yung given, so the quotient is always positive. Negative 36 divided by negative 4 is positive 9. Examples naman, kapag magkaiba yung signs, so negative 5 times 6, magkaiba yung signs, the answer is always negative, so the answer is negative 30. 3 times negative 9, opposite signs, so the answer is always negative, the answer is negative 27. Negative 7 times 6, magkaiba yung signs, the answer is always negative, the answer is negative 42. 12 divided by negative 3, magkaiba yung signs, so the answer is always negative. 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4. Negative 18 divided by 6, magkaiba yung signs. The quotient is always negative, so negative 18 divided by 6 is negative 3. And lastly, 36 divided by negative 4, magkaiba yung signs. The quotient is always negative, so negative 9.